tell you why Evangelist Ebukobi must continue. Let me tell you why he shouldn't even stop at all. Stopping is not an option. There is a reason why he should continue with what he's doing, especially in this present time. Ushenna Laskobikwas, I greet you. Nwachukwu Uba, I greet you. Nebon Takensne, I greet you, brother. This is why Evangelist Ebukobi must continue. Share this video. In this present time, we are in the perilous time. Share this video. And in these last days, where the Antichrist, that Antichrist Bible a long time ago, they are there now. But the only thing do different there is that Chineke ekweghị ka ha jide egbe na mma. Ịghọtago? O nwekwana ndị ji egbe na mma in the past. But through the mercy and intervention of God, they were placed where they belonged. Now, there is one reason that Evangelist Ebukobi should not stop. There is a gap between those group of unbelievers, between those group of Antichrist, between those group of Ndekwe and Ndekwe. There is one man who know at the center of all this. Is it going to be a coincidence that even those people who claim to oppose the ministry of Evangelist Ebukobi watch the Zion page more than people like us? Not believe na his call and ministry. I repeat, Asarengo, how strange does this sound to you when it is clear now that even those people who are opposed to the ministry and call of Evangelist Ebukobi pay more attention to all the Zion platforms more than people like us who love his call and his ministry? That alone is the reason why I feel Evangelist Ebukobi should continue. Because for as long as Nafana Abia around, imagine Evangelist Ebukobi a drop or something like this, or when something made in Zion, even before you totally ije Zion page, I see that also as a means of evangelism. I see that also as a means of evangelism. Except if you are seeing something different there. But for me, I see it as a means of evangelism. Yeah? Imagine. Mana na yi sunande kuri ife gaba na yi support ife na-eme. Onweghị ife yafu mana ha nwa yiburu ụzọ lachapụ ọsọ. What it shows is that Evangelist Ebukobi, they are seeing it and they will hope and light at the end of the tunnel. So, happen of far, they pay more attention than the rest of us. And that is the truth. They pay more attention than the rest of us. They are more updated. They are more connected. They are always following the big man like this. So, one day, just one day, a message may locate one of them. And where if I'm a convert. enwe ife a na-akpọ a convert. I don't think na ụlọ na ife evangelist Ebuka Obi na-eme ada amasị ha. Ịghọtago? Pray for who? Wish Matthias Ezeaku. Nwa egbe ahụ n'onwe ife Matthias Ezeaku na-arịa. Ife Matthias Ezeaku na-arịa. Agwago m na ife ọ na-arịa. Nwee ndidi Collins ndidi nwee egbe ahụ n'onwere ife ọ na-arịa. Gọnụ ka ọ na-arịa. Kelu na ọgwụ ọ na I want to go and visit him. Kelu na ọgwụ ọ nọ I want to go and visit him. Biko abịara ebe atọ ikwu okwu Matthias onwe ife ọ na-arịa. Ịghọtago? Ọwụ na ozugharịcha ike gwụ ya ọpụta. Nye ozugharịcha ụbọchị ike gwụrụ ya ọpụta. Let us continue. Ịghọtago? So what it shows is that at least one day, just one day, are you willing repentance? For as long as they are coming around, look at me today. You cannot see me. Nefuru na muje na page Matthias wo no mwenye tag remember na something or maybe na mofulu ebe share if but I me me ke itatole to a na page Matthias or maybe no something that is trending that is happening but you cannot see me wake up one day and go to that page. Can even mean at that page. The same thing with the page JPAC. Nanje na page JPAC. That is why some of them GMA have on video mafu there until maybe after some time, maybe after 1 week or after 2 weeks, or after few days. Ndị mmadụ nwere ike tag katam ejezie mmepe ye afọrọ m na onye a column out na video. Kere ife na-ejekwa na-eme ebe mma na onwere ife onwere interest nwere dị ya. Ịghọtago? Ọnọdụ ka Maazị Dibia. Video Maazị Dibia niile na watch wo video ndị mmadụ tagịrị nne or video ndị mmadụ share na efe ha njefie. Or maybe from other content creators that are aligned to Ifa Haneme, but not direct on his page. Only few can now watch it direct from his page. The same with the Light of Africa. I can't even remember the last time we visited the page he had. I only see some of videos he had through other content creators. Maybe Naha share the folk. That is to show you that na anytime soon. Maka ebe ahụ ijelu ka ije fụchata ka iruola ebe ahụ mgbo wetu nwe n'isi. So etu ya ifuru ha si eme oge ọwụ na ha na-agba ha erukwuo na Zion Prayer Movement. Etu a ka ọ ya esi nwụrụ one day. I have never seen any man of God that has been followed in Nigeria the same way ndị mmadụ si follow evangelist Ebuka Obi. Ịghọtago? Ese ndị na ebiara ka ebia nyochata nke ihe ejese. Etu a ka ihe esi abịa ka nyochata one day ka ihe abịa nyochata onye we mmayo you go nowhere. Ịghọtago? Nwe ntụ ọzọ esi enwe convert. Ịghọtago? Evangelist Ebuka Obi ministry has stand on the way. Is really the ministry on the gap between this antichrist in this end time. So always pray for Zion ministry and pray for Evangelist Ebuka Obi because the work he is doing is especially at this particular period time. The time I know Eketa is evil. You got to go. The time I know Eketa is not like those days. It's not like those days. Ekwensu kwadola kwado we potana nkipa azwa. Like okele ekuke sukewi we pota. Ohada no one. Okwe we potana nkipa azwa. Always pray for Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I know that as they continue to visit that page, as they continue to come and poke nose to know what they are going to find, like how we marry just said. Look at this. If Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I haven't even seen it, but I started seeing it first from the pages of those people who claim to be enemies of Zion. All those things, before you know it, they have carried it. What it means is that they are actually more active on that page. And they said, who no come, no go no. Now he who finally come, now he go no. E what I go? Na no na mbo na agbapụtụrụ mmadụ. Ọ maka onye nọ n'ụlọ. Onye gbapụtara ka ọ bịa nyochata abịa ruo ebe ahụ. Mgbo wee tụọ n'isi. And they etu ahụ ka God yesi we arrest some of these guys in Afọ. I'm being honest to you because etu ka ha yesi abịa ka ha bịa na-enyocha ife ha eji akwa asịrị. Ka ha bịa na-enyocha ife ha eji akwa asịrị. One day, only but one day, the story changed here for good. Yeah. We've heard Frank Razu, I swear, you are high, but I dare your back, Sha. High or what? We've heard Frank, high or what? You know go? So, and I love the way Zion Ministry has been handling their critics. Just the other day, we saw a pastor Potana Bamba. Where's in the mother? They want blue video will do anything very close to that he will get you arrested. You want to go? Man, I love the way Evangelist Bukobi and Zion Ministry see when you bloggers. Free ride. Carry the video. Do whatever you want to do with it. One day you will carry the one that will change your story. One day you will carry the one that will change your stand. One day you will carry the one that will change your mentality. The page is welcome for everybody. Keep carrying it. But one thing you don't understand is that for each and every video of Evangelist Bukobi you carried and used for your whether negative content or what, there are so many people. There are so many people who actually got to fall in love with Zion because of that video. What you guys are doing with free advert. I'm prefer free advert. Oh no, look at this kind of advert, Hamelum of late. Ezugo is the problem of Ogechi. Ezugo is the problem. Do you know how many people that has come? You end up making more than 3, 4, 5, 10, 20,000 people to know me. That is free advert. That is free publicity. Sometimes in English, all na ebe you know na ndị mmadụ ada kwasịrị maka gị onwere onye iwu kedu ka people yesizi m onye iwu. Okay, for example, uno mighty n'umushu ọ na-ewi ịmabụrụ onye mighty wumbo ịnụbụrụ maka that name ọ bụrụ because of that house efolo ka iji wee mapụsigide isi ụfọdụ n'ime na browse wa wee fu picture onye a na-akpọ mighty n'umushu mmadụ na-emarụgorie kịta. So sometimes when I see what these guys are doing for Evangelist Bukobi, even without anybody contacting them, I laugh. So I think it's time for you, Zionite, to leave these guys. Others may reduce someone to the level of Abia. I want you people to understand that God must use you somehow. It's either he uses you as Saul or he uses as Paul. So remember, just check and know if he is using you as Saul or he's using you as Paul. But in other way, everything worked together for good. So, leave them and allow them. What they are doing is actually work of God. It's just that the day higher awake is up to that reality. That is what I keep telling you people now. It is you see, our message will begin to change. The reason you say our message will begin to change is that We need to understand that these guys are doing great job. We need to understand that these guys are doing a very wonderful job. Imagine how Evangelist Igbo has become so popular even among Edo people, even among Yorubas, even among Hausas. And it couldn't have been possible without these critics. So allow them. Even Ngobala. Look at how they made people to know about Ngobala. Look at how they help to publicize Ngobala. Ndị mmadụ na-like ime inquiries about what people are criticizing. If people are saying this is good, this is good, this is good, ndị mmadụ adachwe. Ndị mmadụ na-achọ na ahụ ife aha a na-ekwu na ọdụrụ mma na ọdụrụ mma. Nya ka people chọrọ ka ha jezie mmanụ ife ji ekwu na ọdụrụ mma. Ife iru na ndị Zion amaghị ife ha ji wee hapụ onye ọwụna. You can carry their video and do anything. That is where they show how intelligent they are. That is where they show how intelligent they are. Now, imagine where your own enemies are advertising you. Imagine where your own enemies are selling you now to people. That is what we should even be paying them for. Yes, but since they did not ask for any money, they decided to do it free. They chose to do it free of charge. What we need to do is to thank and appreciate them. What they are doing is evangelism. Chibuzo Chukwemeka, thank you. What they are doing is evangelism. For every single video in Melu as a content creator, just to discredit Evangelist Ebukobi, and the 20 or 30,000 people for that video. Among that 20, 30,000 people, there must be 1,000. Yes, 1,000 they will not come back. So what they are doing is evangelism. People can evangelize even using criticism. Yes, because why would you will bahana when the mother jena casually deje? Why would you with her when the mother mena casually deme? Joy on the highest form of evangelism is criticism. Because the moment you criticize that biscuit, biscuit ya noko, the mother ya chosi, ka ha jingulu biscuit ya ta biscuit ya, ka ha mari fe patalo eja when the mother ejena ta biscuit ya. That even in the Bible, Eve ate from that apple because God told them not to eat everything in that garden except that apple. So all that same apple, agwa hill atana, kahafuziri pleasurable wejetaya. So all na hana achoka hana convince them mother habes na Zion. Na Ebukobi wonka na Zion ministry wonka. What they are doing is evangelism, because believe me, nime mmadụ 50,000 watching video phone or mmadụ 40,000 or 30,000, iya frele mmadụ 500 to 1,000 ya say anyị chọrọ ije fụ n'anya, and ọkwọ n'anya ahụ ka ha bịara efo ha na nwuho ọkpa ha wee tọ na n'ebe a. Ịghọtago? Look at the beautiful city Zion is building in Ngobala. All these guys, Nyelaka, we me mbu wanine, we wolanya we FIFA na alona Ngobala. All no so sa imebe na kai. All drop possible. But far helpful. So all you need to do is to love them. In fact, why I'm saying this is that I don't want people henceforth to keep engaging them in a harsh way. Ona akozna fono, ona agozna yiyi, ona agazna me agogwaro, happen ufa. I want you people to allow them to do that job that nobody contracted them, to do that job that nobody is going to pay them for. Let them do it diligently. Our God is a God that can never be mocked. Ona akozna fono, don't reduce yourself to the level of where you don't even belong. That is what most of us has done all this while on Facebook. We are reducing our level to people who are not even worthy to have a discussion with us. They put you in such a way that they are trained. They put you in such a way that they were raised. Some of them do so mannerless. Before you know it, they are now influencing you to begin to live the way they are living. That is who they are, and that is not who you are. That is who they are, but that is not who you are. So henceforth, I don't want us to keep giving them that kind of energy they want. I want us to show them another kind of energy and frequency that they have never seen before. Share them up each time they share videos of evangelism, because we'll be talking nyanyampo. Share them, in fact, share them up, clap for them. What they are doing can never be overemphasized. Do you Emma, the kind of followers sharing the video of evangelism Bukobi page, talking nyanyampo, and about 1 million, 2 million, 800 or 800 or 1 million people watch yet. Do you know that among that 1 million people who watch it, now willingly about 5, 10, 20 or 30,000 do moved by that message you walked around. Not everybody will doubt it. For example, na no nwelu na-emere arenji ebe agwolo onye kolongwolo okuloto. There were a lot of people who are passing through a lot. The only thing they need to hear is we can get salvation and solution here. For the mere fact that you that thing na your page and the go say evidence ebe kuru never awarenji, because they are in their need of help, because they need salvation, because they need healing, they will come to try for the n'ime ha bịara ime wee tọ etu ahụ efolo ka chọọchị nwere 40 members ji wee bugido do 5,000, etu a ka chọọchị do 5,000 ji wee bugido do 1 million, etu a ka nke do 1 million ya esi wee bugido luo 50 million members. The reason is because so many people bịara ka ha nwa abịa nwa wee fụnanya. So what happened na ọnwụ na ha enwetaghị that information prompt ha ịbịa nwa, o nwere ike ọnwụ na onwere nwa kọrọ na onwere nwa ha afọ ụzọ o wee nụ na-ekwuru na onye ahụ ekwu okwu kwuru okwu mana asị na arenji nyanwa asị biko mma like ije timeda nke mmanya wuruzie na ọwa ọkụ ọbịakwuna ọbịokowi ịghọtara. So allow these guys to be doing, in fact, I want them to be calling the name, each and every one of them to be calling the name of evangelism Gobi more than 50 times in a day. That is how names begin to ring bells in people's ear. Allow them. Let us stop engaging them in that language they understand, because that is not whom we are. We are different creatures from them. Let them begin to live the way they chose to live, provided that they are doing what they are supposed to do for us. Imagine how many people ezugo anyị na-anụ maka evangelism Ebukobi na ife mata ya sikwuru maka onya na ife mata ya sikwuru maka onya. That name will keep ringing bell. It will keep ringing bell. You gotta go. This is going to be one of the shortest broadcasts. Meme, share this video. I'm sure you people saw that I did not come online much yesterday, and even today I did not also come online that much. I've been busy and occupied with something. You gotta go. Share this video. Share this video. Share this video. Good night, my people.